Hi kids, how are you? Good? Today we're going to see more special sounds. We're going to see the sp sounds. Sp in spade, spo in splash, and spur in sprain. Então a gente tem o sp, opa, o sp, só o sp. Aí tem o spur and o spl. Então let's see here. Sp, spade. Repeat with me. Sp, spade. Some other words with sp. Spain, Spain. Repeat with me. Spoke, spoke. Spine, spine. Spell, spell. Spin, spin. Spot, spot. Let's see the sp blends. The sp blends. Remember, long sound, short sound. Long, short. The long U sound, U. Spoo, spoo. Sp, sp. Long O, O. Spo, spo. You repeat. Short O, A. Spa, spa. Long I, ice cream. Spy, spy. Spi, spi. Like spinach. Spi. Lembra do I, eagle, long sound I, spi. Spé, spé. And the last one, spay, spay, spa, spa. So let's see one more time. The words with sp. Spade. Como que eu sei que aqui é o spade e não o spade? Porque eu vou cortar o E, two vowels. I cut here the E, and this is a long sound. A, spade. Spain, spoke. Aqui é um special sound. Não, aqui a gente vai falar Spain. Spoke, corta o E. Spoke. Spine. Spell, com E, elephant. Spin. Spot. Let's put the spade there. Now we have the spl. Ó, é o sp mais o spl. Splash. Other words with spl. Split. Repeat. Split. Splint. Splint. Spleen. Spleen. Olha lá. E eagle. Splat. Splat. Splendid. Splendid. One word. Let's see the spl blends. Splay, splat, como em splat. Splee, splé. Splee, como em spleen, que a gente viu. Splé, splendid. Sply, sply. Split, split, como em split. Splow, splow, splaw, splaw. Splew, spluh. Repeat. Splew, spluh. So we have the spluh. Let's put it here too. And the last one is sprain. Sprain. Sprain é uma torção. Torcer o tornozelo, torcer não de torcer para um time, ok? Sprain. Some other words. Olha lá, spring, o blend. Spring. Outro special sound. Spray. Spray, two special sounds. Spur and A as in pray. Sprig. Sprig. Sprint. Sprint. Spree. Spree. Spry. Spry. Let's review the blends. Sprue. Sprue. Spr. Spr. Spro. Spro. Spra. Spra. Spry. Spry. Spree. 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 Spray. Spray. And the last one, spray, acorn, spray, and spra. So we have here spree, look, lembra que eu falei? Two vowels, a gente vai cortar a última e vai ler eagle. Sprint, spray, two special sounds. Let's put the spr here. And this is it for today. We already saw sk, scat, sk, skate, sm, smoke, sp, spade, spl, splash, spr, spring. And I will see you later. Okay? Bye-bye.